Hi, I'm Tom with GlassSimple. Today I am going to show you how to measure a shower door with possible head slope. So I'm not going to show you how to measure the entire shower enclosure, but simply how to quickly take measurements so your enclosure will line up with the grout joint on either side, whether it is level or not. And what I mean is there's a grout joint right here, and I know in the periphery of the camera you can see the framed out area for a mirror, and we're going to line the top of the shower door up with that mirror, and it also aligns to a grout joint, which is here and here. So the first thing I did is I took my laser. This is a self-leveling, in this case plumbing laser, and I created a vertical line. And then I took a pen, so I have a piece of masking tape, and I like to use beige masking tape because I can see through it. And I marked the top of the tile or the bottom of the grout joint, which is what I like to go to. That way, if the glass comes a little big, we're still inside the grout joint. So I have a mark down there for the center of my glass. I measure off of that and read it at my mark, which is about 80 and 5/16. I've already written that down. So then I go to the other side and measure to where that mark is, and that's 80 1/4, a little strong maybe. I know that my curb, this end over here, is about a 1/16 lower. So if everything is as it should be in this case, this is going to be level. Basically all I do is I turn my laser on. I line it up with the mark on that side, and I come over here and put a mark. It doesn't hurt to check it from both sides. These lasers do have a little bit of a tolerance, meaning they're not as dead on as we'd like them to be. And maybe take the difference between the two. It's reading really level. But if it was not level, I would just take my pen and put a mark on the near side where the opposite side is, and then measure the difference. And that gives us our outage. So this is what I'm talking about. I basically put that little mark right there at the bottom of the grout joint and then hold my laser to that mark. I have the same thing on the opposite side. That was a bit of a quick and simple video, but I hope you found it useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and keep watching in the future. We're going to put up a lot more informative videos. Have a good one.